This video tutorial I will explain Formatter class. Formatter class belongs to java.util package. Superclass of Formatter class is object class. Formatter class implements interfaces like closable, flushable, and auto-closable. Using Formatter class, we can format numbers, strings, and date and time. Now we will see using format method of formatter class how to format. This format method accept format and arguments. Here I have defined the class formatter demo. Here I have created a formatter object. Then I am calling format method of formatter object. This is the format and these are the arguments. Percentage S specifies the string. So percentage S will be replaced with Peter. Percentage D specifies the integer value. So percentage D will be replaced with 10. Here I am printing the output. And here you can see the output. Percentage S is replaced with Peter and percentage D is replaced with 10. If you want to know more about formatter class, then go through this Java documentation. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.